something very positive happened while I was over looking at the pond. See if I could find honor. LCEC came and installed a type of bird safe equipment. This is where the hot wires are, and they put these little deflectors up so that the birds won't perch where it would cause an electrical outage if they hit the wires wrong. Pretty neat, huh? Evidently they don't have to put it on the other side because those wires are not hot. So this is what was put up, and before they started, they were up talking to Andy in the office, probably about where else or where he thought would be suitable. Isn't that great? Yay for LCEC. Thank you so much for thinking of our eagles. They also put that down here where honor and here's the truck. There's the truck. They just came out. They just installed them on the pole where Honor and Hope sat that day that the roadkill was out in the road. So that's great. And I think they're going to come and put one in behind the church. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Here we go. There they go. Gonna be all safe for our birdie boos.
Hello.
Okay.
How's the viewing today?